Top 10 must-see attractions in Istanbul. 10. Grand Bazaar, one of the world's oldest covered markets, with over 4,000 shops selling jewelry, carpets, spices, and souvenirs. A vibrant, chaotic place perfect for souvenir shopping, but beware of inflated prices and bargaining is a must. 9. Galata Tower, this medieval stone tower offers panoramic views of Istanbul's skyline. Climb to the top for stunning views of the Bosphorus and the Golden Horn, especially at sunset. The area around it is also full of charming cafes and boutiques. 8. Istiklal Street and Taksim Square, a lively pedestrian avenue filled with shops, restaurants, and historical landmarks. Experience Istanbul's modern vibe, ride the nostalgic tram, and explore its vibrant nightlife. Don't miss the historic Kikik Passage for food and drinks. 7. Spice Bazaar, a sensory delight with aromatic spices, Turkish delight, dried fruits, and exotic teas. Built in the 17th century, it's smaller than the Grand Bazaar but more authentic and colorful. A great place to experience the flavors of Istanbul. 6. Bosphorus Cruise. Sailing along the Bosphorus offers breathtaking views of Istanbul's skyline, palaces, and bridges. Take a sunset cruise to see the city's European and Asian sides from the water, passing by grand mansions and Ottoman era landmarks. 5. Dolmabahce Palace, a stunning 19th century palace blending Ottoman and European styles, known for its lavish interiors, crystal chandeliers, and gold-covered ceilings. The last home of the Ottoman sultans, it's a true symbol of imperial grandeur. 4. Süleymaniye Mosque, an architectural masterpiece by Sinan. This mosque is quieter than the Blue Mosque, but equally magnificent. Offering breathtaking city views, its peaceful courtyard and elegant design make it one of Istanbul's most spiritual spots. 3. Basilica Cistern, an underground marble built in the 6th century, featuring a mystical atmosphere with dim lighting, Medusa head columns, and reflections of the ancient water reservoir. A surreal experience transporting you to Byzantine times. 2. Blue Mosque, Sultanahmet Mosque. Istanbul's most famous mosque, known for its 6 minarets and breathtaking blue-tiled interior. A masterpiece of Ottoman architecture, it remains an active place of worship, offering visitors a serene yet awe-inspiring experience. 1. Hagia Sophia, the crown jewel of Istanbul. This iconic structure has been a church, mosque, and now a museum again. Its massive dome, intricate mosaics, and centuries of history make it the most significant landmark in the city, blending Byzantine and Ottoman legacies. That wraps up our top 10 must-see attractions in Istanbul. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing travel content. Let us know in the comments which place you'd love to visit first. See you in the next adventure.